With the content distribution add-on for Grunt, you'll have your own company workspace in the content library where you can store slides, Grunt objects, and images. This is a great way to share best practices and key content directly inside PowerPoint. If you don't have this add-on, contact your customer success manager. In this video, you'll learn how to manage and control access to your company workspace and content folders. Only content managers can add, rename, or delete folders in the workspace. Content managers are assigned in the client portal on web. To get started, open the library from the Grunt tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. To create a folder, click the More Options menu in your company workspace and select Add Folder. To rename your folder, click the More Options menu on the folder and select Rename. Use names that make it easy for users to find the right content. Most companies organize folders by department, use case, or content type. Folder access is controlled through 3 access levels. If a user has no access, they won't see the folder. Viewer means the user can see the folder and use the templates. They can insert the templates into their own presentation and continue editing that copy in their own file, but they can't change or delete the original template in the folder. Editor includes the viewer rights and also allows the user to edit or delete templates stored in the folder. Admin includes the editor rights and also allows the user to manage access to that folder. To manage access to a folder, click the More Options menu on a folder and select Manage. Here you can give rights to the entire company or per user. For most folders, we recommend giving the entire company viewer access. This means everyone can find and use the templates without needing individual access to be added manually. This is especially useful when new employees join. They can start using the templates immediately without an admin having to add them one by one. Then, for the people who should maintain the templates, you can add them separately as editor or admin. To make this folder available for everyone, I'll set the company access to viewer. All users can see and use the templates in this folder. Then I'll add my colleague Espen as editor by inputting his email and selecting the editor role before adding him. He can now maintain and update the folder content. Then I'll add Tina as admin for the same folder. She can edit the templates and manage the folder access. You can edit, delete, or rename templates by selecting the template and choosing the relevant option from the folder menu. That's how you manage your company workspace and folders in the content library. Check out our Grunt Academy to learn more.